Hello and congratulations, you just complete about the very basic thing about Forex. What is Forex and what it can use in Forex and some definition in Forex. And now we will come to the very important lessons. What you can analyze the market when you complete it. Very important. So I'm really excited and really passionate to tell you about the story about this lesson. This is Candlestick. And today is the first lesson about Candlestick. And normally this lesson, our trader can need 1 year to understand or think about it, but just in this lesson, several hours, you can understand completely about Candlestick. So let's see what you can learn today. And in this lesson today, I will tell you the definition of Candlestick, what it is, and the story behind a candle, and the most mistake when you use it, why you still use a right candle, but you still have no profits. Why? And today's lesson I will tell you. And the next one is a powerful candles strategy you can use while you're trading, and some example can show you to understand very clearly about candlestick and some mistake when you use the candlestick and you can avoid it. So let's see. So first of all about the definition, because when you learn something you need to define it. What it is, candlestick is one of the methods when you analyze technical analysis. Normally when you choose a TA, you have a two type chart. The first one is a line chart, quite simple. On the left side, you can see here just a line, and the candlestick chart is quite complicated because one candle is a one story, can tell you one story behind it. So this is quite complicated to you to understand at the first time. And what is a story? So let's see what one candle can tell you first. So here is one candle. Normally in the market, we have a two type candle. So up candle and the down candle. And one more another candle is not up or down. It's just a sideways. And now is up candle. You also call it the bull candles. And this one have four factors you need to understand, need to remember. The first one is open price. Open price. Second one, close price, highest price, and lowest price. Open price is a price at the time when the market is open. If this candle is a 1 day, for example, this candle is a 1 day, open price will be the price at the time that market open. Close price is the price at the time when the market is closed at that day, and highest price is the highest price during the day. Lowest price also same meaning. You just understand like this. And if this candle is a 1 hour, everything will change to the 1 hour, open up the 1 hour, close up the 1 hour, highest during the 1 hour. Yeah, very, very important to understand about this meaning. And about the one candle like this, have two factors you also need to understand is the body of candle and the tail. Body is a distance from the open price to the close price, and the tail is a distance from the open price to the lowest price, or the distance from the close price to the highest price, if this one is up candle. So, and what is the story behind this candle? So let's see on the simulation on the right side of the screen. When this candle is open, yeah, and here is the open price of this candle, the price go down slightly to the lowest price, and then you can see very strong buying pressure. Push price go to the highest price, and then at the end of the day, price go down slightly. So totally you can see that very strong buy pressure in this candle. That is story. That story is tell you that a lot buy in at this time and no more the seller. You can buy it. You can enter at this time to take profit. That is something like the comment from this candle. So on the down candle or the red candle in your screen, normally trader use a green candle like the up candle and red candle like the down candle. Also have four factors: open, close, and highest. Open, close, lowest, and highest. But for the down candles, the open price on the above and close price on the lowest. It means that at the end of the day, price go down massively. So here is a close price, not no price. Sorry about that. And we also have some factor you need to remember is the body and the tail. And here is the story behind this candle. When price open, price go up slightly and go down massively strong, go to the lowest price, and at the end of the day, price also goes slightly up. This is story that also tell you a lot of the seller here and no more the buyer. So it can tell you that you not to buy when you see this candle, because there is very strong selling pressure here. If you buy it, you can lose. That is the story. And the next one, how many types of candle you have in the market? One by one, I will tell you in this lesson today, I will tell you about one by one candle first, and next lesson about the candle pattern. In combination, some candle together, but one lesson. This lesson is a one by one first to understand about story, each one of candles. And for the one by one, we have some type of candle, normally 3 types. For example, I will get example about the up candle, and the down candle also same meaning, you can apply it. About the up candle, we have a very strong up candle like this, with the very big body and the very small tail. It can show you that very strong buying pressure and small selling pressure. You can see mostly the most important thing you need to focus on one candle is the body and the tail. 2 things is very important when you see to the one candles. And this name is a Marubozu candle in the Japanese language. Normally, candlestick come from the Japan. So this is the name of this. You can understand, you can remember this candle name, Marubozu candle. So the second candle is a Binba candle. Binba also in the Japan. And you can see here, the story behind this candle is when price open at this line and it's go down quite strong. But after that, when you price come to the lowest price, the buyer puts price go more strong than buyer go to the highest, and at the end of the day, price go down quite slightly. So totally they can show you that strong buying pressure and medium selling pressure here in this candle. And here is a big word of the buying and selling are conflict. That's the thing you remember, and this is the type number 2 of the candles you need to remember. Totally, after 2 candles, you need to remember the first one is Marubozu, very strong buying, or you can say one side of the pressure, one side just buying or selling, if this is a down candles. And this one is a Binba candle, can tell you strong buying than selling, but you still see that in this candle have a selling pressure, so be careful when you see or entry with this candle. And one more thing you need to remember with Binba, how to define. Normally with the new member, you need to some standards to define which one is Marubozu candle, which one is a Binba candle. For Marubozu candle, you can see very clearly about the body is very big and small tail on the top. But for the Binba candle, you also have some reference standard, like the body of this candle, the body of Binba candle is above 30% of the total length of these candles. It can show you that very strong buy pressure for these candles. Why this is 30%? Why is 30% and not 50% or others? Because it's really Fibonacci the levels I will introduce to you in the next videos. But you just need to remember 30% above is enough. And next one I will introduce for you is another type of candles. It is anti-season candles or rosy candles. Two types is quite same together with a very small body and small tails. It can show you that the buying and the selling pressure at this time is the same. It means that you also can say the trend of the market now is flat by basing on these candles. Very small buying pressure and very small selling pressure, or the market now is have no enthusiasm to entry, so it is going flat. And you only need to remember 2 type candles when you're seeing the one by one candles. The first one is Marubozu candle and the second one is Binba candle. It's more important. And the anti-season candle, you can skip it, don't care about it. And the next one, I want to recommend you when you see on the one candle, you need to very focus on the body and the tail on the body. You need to define it. Is it big body, small body, or no body? If it is big body, it means that very strong pressure on these candles. And small body is the anti-season candles or Binba candles. Based on the tail, if the no body, it's very clear that it's anti-season candle. You can skip it. But if it's small body with a long tail, it means that it's a Binba. It's a very strong pressure in the one direction, so you need to focus on it, whether you can have any entry based on this candle or not, based on the market condition or the buying pressure zone. You can learn it. It's from the net cost, but in this card you just define which one is the best candle for your trade. And here is one example to you to define which one is a Marubu's candle, which one is a Binba, and which one is anti-season candles or doji. And on my most is a up Marubu's candle very strong, and the first Marubu's candle here and the second Marubu's candle can show you that very strong buying pressure. You can see the trend after that it go very high from the Marubu's candles, and Binba candle over here also say you want the same story. And one more thing I want to focus on here is you can see the one Marubu's candles and the second Marubu's candle and the Binba Marubu candle, and the Binba also the same range. It means that at this position have a very strong buying pressure. You can buy at these levels. How to buy with the Binba and with the Marubu's candle, I will say to you later. But at this time you need to focus on something very special on this chart. And next one, you can see the anti-season candles or doji candles. Or for this type, you don't need to care about the color of this candle because color is not important for this type. Buying and the selling is equal together. Just some very small fluctuations. So this cannot say you anything. And next one is very important. I will tell you how you can buy and sell with the one candle signal. When you see on the chart, like before, like this, you can see some varies big Marubu's candle or big Binba candle, how to buy with it. And here is a reference standards for you. With Marubu's candle, you can buy stop above of this candle because Marubu's candles show you that very strong buying pressure for the up candles. So you can believe that the uptrend still continues and you buy stop to wait the market break above of these candles and hit your entry. How about the stop loss? We have a two options for stop loss. The first stop loss is below of this candle, below of the lowest of the candle. Normally you need to set the distance is a several pips to be safe. And if the Marubu's candle is too big, so you cannot set the stop loss is below. You need to set the stop loss in the middle of this range because if the Marubu's candle is too big, it means that the buying pressure also very high. Normally for the very high buying pressure, it cannot go to the lowest. Because go to the lowest, it means that this Marubu's candle cannot be just. And one more thing about the Binba candle. Binba candle, you can see on the Binba candle, we also have the medium selling pressure in the Binba candles in these structures. Therefore, on the standard for set an order with the Binba candle, normally we will set a buy limit order. Buy limit, I also explained in the last video, is a buy behind the price, and we set the buy limit in the middle of this Binba. This is a bit Binba, and the stop loss is below of the lowest of this Binba. Also, set the distance is several pips to be saved. And this is a very important thing you need to remember here. Normally, the candlestick pattern of one by one or the several candles cannot show you the exactly entry. You need to buy in with this signal at the very strong pressure. How to define it is related to the demand on supply zone. You will learn in the next lessons, but in this video, just remember this. Don't buy or sell with the only candle signal, because you can fail very easily. This is most of mistakes that new trader got when you're trading. As the next one, I will give you some example to you to practice how you can buy or sell on this market based on the candlestick signals. The first one is a forex example on the Euro USD on the time frame is daily. And here is our chart. The green candle is up candle. The red is a down candle. You can see here from the left side to the right side, you can see the very big Marubu's candle. And at our standard, we can buy stop over these candles and stop loss in the middle of these candles. And the market also go to our stop loss. I'll go to our buy stop and entry. Now the order is entry. And where is our take profits positions? You can see structure of this market now is they create a higher high and higher low. It means that supply is uptrend. At this level, you can see the very big Binba candles. You can see that this is some of the selling pressure also join into the market, but this time is they create a lean bar. It means that buying pressure is still high, so you still not need to exit at these positions. Even the neck candle is a multiple candle, but the multiple candle still not break the lowest of the big bar candles. Therefore, the buying pressure is still strong, so you need to wait. And at this candle, you can see that this is the up multiple candle show you that strong buying pressure, but the neck candle is also selling multiple candle and cover the last buying multiple candle. So you can see that the selling pressure at this time is more stronger than buying pressure, and you can at this levels is a safety for you, and you also have the profits from the take profits to buy stock. And on this chart, one more thing you also need to carry here is a strong buy range. At this range, you can see very strong big multiple candle, so it is mean that strong buy range can draw in from these levels. And on this level, we also see the impact from the market. The market also has the feedback that they create a big multiple candle uptrend. And when you see that this multiple candle is very can believe that the market can go up a little bit. And at our standards, you set the buy stop above this multiple candle and the stop loss in the middle. And you will take profits when the market go to the strong selling zone over here. It depends on the next lesson. You can learn it. Don't worry about it. And the next example is a Bitcoin. This is an example in the other market, not Forex market. I will show you that the price chart, the candlestick chart, not only used on the Forex market, it can use on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, on the Forex market, on the bonds, anything. And from left side to the right side, you can see some of the fail multiple candle if you entry. This is also the big multiple candle show you that the strong buying pressure. But if you entry at this level, you set the buy stop above this candle, but the stop loss in the middle of this candle, you will lose because this is still below of the strong selling zone. It's still not breakout, and then the selling pressure is still high. At this time, when price break strong selling zone, it means that now buying pressure is higher, stronger than selling pressure. So when price come back to the strong buying zone and appear one multiple candle very big like this, so you can entry as at our standards. Set a buy stop above this multiple candle and the stop loss in the middle of these multiple candles, and you can see the market go very strongly uptrend. This is an example, very interesting example, can show you that how you can be successful with the one candle pattern. This is very important thing to remember. So from this lesson, you need to remember what is a candlestick and what is the story behind this candle, and how to entry with the multiple candle and the pin bar candle. And one more thing is very important: just buying or selling at the very strong buying zone or selling zone to support to our entry. Very important. So that's all. And from the next lesson, I will introduce to you about the candlestick pattern, and it's quite strong. Also help you a lot to the trading career. So thank you very much, and see you next lesson.